Philips Hue's color-changing light bulbs are pretty expensive, so this year the brand is working to give you more bang for your buck. Specifically, a new feature called Hue Entertainment will work to integrate your smart lighting with your favorite media. Now, Philips Hue's first integration of the year is with Razer, and the idea is to bring your color-changing lights on board with your PC games. So right now I'm playing Overwatch, and I get character and ability-specific lighting. I'm playing as the character Reinhardt, so the lights are white, and whenever I activate my shield ability, like right now, I get nice flashing blue lights that signify it. There's a growing list of games that work with Hue Entertainment. To take advantage of the integration, you'll need to install Razer's Synapse 3 software, which is a free download. The integration with Hue syncs the lights up with Razer Chroma devices, things like keyboards and mice with built-in color-changing lights. And if you don't have Chroma devices, don't worry, because the software will still work if you're just using bulbs. First, you'll need to set up an entertainment area in the Hue app. You'll tell the app which lights to include, and you'll also tell it where they're located in relation to your screen. From there, Hue will pass that info along to whatever integration you're using, in this case, Razer's Synapse 3 software. Once you've synced that software with your entertainment area, you'll be all set. Your lights will automatically sync with your game as soon as you start playing it. In between, you can even set default lighting effects, sort of like a screensaver for your gaming setup's lights. Now, the quality of the effects really depends on the game. Some are pretty basic, flashing red lights when you die in iZombie, for instance. Other games, like Overwatch, feature effects that are more sophisticated. At any rate, it's very early, and I expect to see better, deeper integrations as time goes on. Now, Philips tells us that they have all sorts of new Hue Entertainment integrations coming later this year, as well as new Hue Sync software for computers that'll let you pair anything on your screen to your lights, not just games. As soon as all of that arrives, we'll test it out and let you know what we think of it.